Slow but sure on the playground. Hey, slow but sure. Can you come out on this? Do you want to come out on here? Or are you going to go through the tunnel? If you want to, I'll get you on. I'll get you on video. Wow. Brian, I see a fun swing over there. I see a fun swing that's empty. Want to go on that swing there? That yellow swing? Want to go on that? Before somebody else gets it? You can touch your toes to the sky. Remember how I showed you how to do that? Touch the clouds with your toes. Want to? Yeah, come on. Let's go on this swing. We can come back here. Come on. If you don't go on it, I'm gonna. Come here, you Mr. Chocolate Face. You got Oreo cookies on your face. We can go there. Don't you want to go on that swing? Yellow swing? You tell me what you want to do. Okay, big girl.